This classic combination of banana, caramel and chocolate is reimagined in this easy to make Banoffee sheet cake. Today's recipe uses honey as a way to cut down on refined sugar in the recipe, which adds another dimension of deliciousness. This is topped with whipped cream, banana, chocolate shavings and caramel. I mean, does it get any better? Let's begin with the cake itself. So we are going to add some all-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking powder, some salt to a large mixing bowl, and we're going to mix that using a whisk to help everything combine. To a separate large bowl, we're going to add some softened butter and some pure honey. Now, just a little tip for baking with honey. Actually, there's going to be a couple during this video, but to make sure that your honey comes out of your measuring cup easily, just spray it with a little bit of oil and then brush it, add the honey, comes out so much easier. Mix that using an electric hand mixer until everything is really well combined. Then scrape down the bowl and add your eggs one at a time, mixing and scraping down each time until they're all in there. Now, the co-star of today's recipe is bananas. Now, ideally you want to use ripe bananas. These are not very ripe because I kind of decided to do this recipe on the fly. It works just as well, but ripened bananas are much sweeter. So we're going to unwrap those bananas, we're going to mash them up using a fork, and we're going to add them to our batter. Add some sour cream in there as well as some vanilla bean paste. Mix that until everything is well combined. Add your dry ingredients and mix until everything forms a batter. Line a baking tray with some baking paper, and I'm going to use some little baking clips. They're actually just regular clips to hold that baking paper in place while we bake it so it doesn't fall onto the cake in my air oven. What's it called? Fan forced oven. Add the batter in there and then you're going to spread it around evenly. Now, for this recipe, you don't necessarily need to do this part, but for most recipes where you're replacing the sugar with honey, especially if you're replacing all of it, adding a little bit of foil on top is going to stop the cake from browning too much, because that can happen when you add honey to cakes. Let's move on to the honey caramel. We're going to be adding some honey to a large saucepan, brown sugar, some unsalted butter, and we're going to stir that until everything is really well combined and the mixture bubbles. Once it's darkened a little bit to a nice deep dark gold color, you're going to add some heavy whipping cream and it's pretty much done. I've just popped a baking tray in the fridge for about 10 minutes to get it nice and cold, and we're going to add some melted dark chocolate on top, spread it around, get it nice and flat, then let it cool at room temperature for about 5 minutes depending on how cool or warm it is where you are. Once it's fully, almost fully set, you're going to use a teaspoon to just scrape away the chocolate and it creates little curls. I mean, how cool is that? The last thing we're going to prepare is our whipped cream. So add some heavy whipping cream, which has at least 30% fat content, some mascarpone cheese and some vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. Whip this up to stiff peaks. I'm going to be using the end of a wooden spoon to create little holes in my baked cake. And we're going to fill it up with some of that caramel that we made. Add the whipped cream on top and spread it around. Add some more caramel on top, squiggle it in, then add some sliced bananas and your chocolate curls. And guys, this is done. It's that easy. It is absolutely delicious. And the honey adds a little note of floralness, if that's a word, to the actual cake. It's really delicious, so I would recommend you guys give it a try. The recipe lives on my website. That's where my recipes live. Click on the description box below to be taken there. I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me in my kitchen today, and if you want to watch other videos, they're up on screen. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.